Ooh, it's in the dark now, buddy. Light, dark. Hey. There. Oh, it's what she looks like there. Hold on, I'll just bloody chuck another light on over there. See if that one makes any difference to. Bugger, can't turn the bloody light on there. Anyway, get a rough idea. It's turning black. Still okay, all nice and clean in here, but not finished. Alright. Well, that's what she's looking like. I will paint the bottom. I'll paint the whole thing black because it's got to sit on the top of the Ranger. It looks silly if it was a different colour, isn't it? But hey, yep, keep it going, keep you up to date, sure it's real. Still got a fiberglass it, don't panic, it's just to seal it. Audio.